Over the past 2 decades, China has become a major player in Africa's infrastructure development. This engagement has brought significant changes to the continent. With vast investments and numerous construction projects, China's influence on the continent's economic landscape is undeniable. However, these investments also come with long-term implications that need careful consideration. In this video, we'll explore the role of China in African infrastructure development. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now, let's get started. Historical background. China's engagement with Africa has deep historical roots and dates back to the early 20th century. Still, it gained momentum at the turn of the millennium when this relationship began to intensify. In 2000, the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, FOCAC, established a new era of collaboration, focusing on trade, investment, and infrastructure development. Since then, China's presence in Africa has grown exponentially, particularly in infrastructure projects, making it one of the continent's most important development partners. The scale of China's investment. China plays a crucial role in African infrastructure development, making significant financial commitments and engaging in a wide range of projects. With financial commitments surpassing $200 billion over 2 decades, China's involvement spans various sectors including roads, railways, ports, airports, power plants, and telecommunications networks. This substantial investment aims at fostering connectivity and stimulating economic growth throughout the continent. Notably, China's projects extend across almost all African nations, with a significant focus on countries like Kenya, Ethiopia, Nigeria, and Angola. This widespread engagement signifies China's dedication to facilitating infrastructural advancements and supporting African nations in their journey towards sustainable development. By leveraging its resources and expertise, China continues to shape the infrastructure landscape of Africa, leaving a profound and lasting impact on its socio-economic progress. Motivations behind China's investments. China plays a significant role in African infrastructure development, driven by multiple motivations. Economically, Africa's abundant natural resources, such as oil, minerals, and metals, are crucial for China's industrial growth. Additionally, Africa represents a vast market for Chinese products and services, aiding in diversifying China's trade partners. Politically, China seeks to strengthen its diplomatic ties with African nations, enhancing its influence in global affairs and gaining support in international forums like the United Nations. Strategically, China's presence in Africa extends its global reach, including military and trade routes. Furthermore, investing in Africa's infrastructure fosters economic development on the continent, creating new opportunities for Chinese businesses and contributing to mutual growth. Major infrastructure projects. Several high-profile projects highlight China's role in African infrastructure. China has constructed numerous roads, bridges, and railways. The Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway, constructed in 2016, reduced travel time between the Ethiopian capital and the Djibouti port. The Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway in Kenya is another key project improving regional connectivity. Chinese companies have built hydroelectric dams, solar power plants, and other energy infrastructure to address Africa's power shortages. These include the Kariba South Hydropower Station in Zimbabwe and the Bui Dam in Ghana. Major port developments include Kenya's Port of Mombasa, the Djibouti Port, and the construction of Lamu Port. Airport projects, like the new terminal at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, enhance air travel infrastructure. Companies like Huawei and ZTE have expanded Africa's telecommunications infrastructure, enhancing internet and mobile connectivity. Benefits of Chinese involvement. Chinese investments have brought several benefits to African countries. Improved infrastructure facilitates trade, boosts productivity, and attracts foreign investments, contributing to overall economic growth. Infrastructure projects generate employment opportunities for local populations, reducing poverty and boosting local economies. Chinese companies often provide training and transfer technology to local workers, enhancing their skills and local technical expertise. Enhanced transportation and communication networks link remote regions with urban centers, promoting regional integration and development and access to markets, services, and opportunities. Challenges and criticisms. Despite the benefits, China's investments in African infrastructure also face significant challenges and criticisms. Many African countries have taken on significant debt to finance Chinese projects, leading to fears of debt dependency and sovereignty loss. Chinese projects often employ Chinese laborers, leading to tensions limiting job opportunities for local workers and leading to tensions. Some projects have been criticized for their environmental impact, including deforestation, pollution, and displacement of communities. There are concerns about the quality and sustainability of Chinese-built infrastructure, with some projects suffering from poor construction standards and lack of maintenance. Long-term implications and future prospects. The long-term implications of China's involvement in African infrastructure are profound and multifaceted. Economic dependency on Chinese loans and investments may limit African countries' financial liberty. Chinese project debt will be difficult to manage and repay, potentially affecting economic stability. China's growing influence in Africa could shift the geopolitical balance, impacting relationships with other global powers. Chinese-built infrastructure could impact Africa's economic and social policies. In the future, China's involvement in African infrastructure is likely to evolve. As environmental awareness grows, projects may emphasize sustainable development, green initiatives, and renewable energy. Project planning and execution may prioritize local partners and communities. The African countries would likely improve regulatory systems to ensure projects match local requirements. As infrastructure remains a priority, China may invest in agriculture, education, and healthcare. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.